Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T, former Canadian National Unit freight train coming, heading to Oil City. This is the same one. Let's check it out. Welcome back. We're at the train well station. We got a same one coming. Check it out. I got one on Chris's side. Now I'm doing the Tom side here. So we can see, I did Chris's side first, and then I'm doing Tom's side. This is Tom and Chris in these, because I don't have Jack on the train expert channels yet on those years. Because he must have debuted the train expert channel after I started with Jolene last year. It's like a mixed freight, looks like, yeah. There's the end. There's the end. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll let this video go, and then I'll do the plug. I gotta get off here for a few minutes, and we'll be back on as soon as we get that Petroleum Center train. Even as well as the Red Farm Station comes by. Talk to you later. Alright, we'll stop it here. Symbol on that train is OC&T 42M. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Oil City, Pennsylvania, with one service industry in the interchange freight. And takes the freight back to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where the video's at, where it terminates. All on this Friday, July 7th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube, with the former Canadian National leading, and it's not even in this CN unit. It's not freshly painted yet, though. So. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on when another train comes by. Talk to you later. We're gonna do some. I got another Oil City train with the Alco 85 unit is what I have coming up. So we'll get off. We'll get back on with the next train of that. Talk to you later.